Hi friends, my name is Dr.Bharath Chandra. Welcome to today's breaking news video. News number 1. India has third highest forest reserves in the world. I put the interesting table here. China has 233 lakh crore worth of forex reserves. Forex reserves are in US dollars, but I have converted to Indian rupees for you to get an understanding. Japan 94 lakh crores, India 42 lakh crores, third place, Hong Kong 36 lakh crores, Russia 32 lakh crores, Saudi Arabia 32 lakh crores. The statistics are saying that we have foreign reserves worth 1 year of our imports, so we can pay the 1 year of import bills with this foreign exchange. In 91-92, when there was an economic crisis, there was a lot of problem. India had forex reserves worth only about 10 to 15 days of the import bill, and now it is more than 365 days. So we can see the development and progress which has happened in the Indian economy the last 30 years approximately. News number 2. Household expenses rise from last year. As per government data, inflation is in the range of 3 to 5%. However, as per surveys, the inflation is much higher than the government figures. Expenses category, I have given a few basic expenses, approximately 30 to 40% increase in the last 1 year. Vegetable and fruits 30 to 40% increase again. Transport and fuel approximately 40% rise compared to last year's expenses. So we need to really see whether government figures are actually giving the real information or our inflation is much more than what the statistics are saying. News number 3. Glenmark Life Sciences plans IPO. Glenmark Life Sciences is planning a rupees 1500 to 2000 crore IPO in this financial year. They will soon be filing documents with SEBI for IPO approval. News number 4. Health insurance claims related to COVID rise. Health insurance claims made by policyholders for COVID related treatment has increased by 27% from rupees 11,850 crores to rupees 14,500 crores in the last 2 months. So approximately 3,000 crore claims have happened in the last 2 months. These claims have gone up due to the sudden rise in COVID cases in various states in the last 1 to 2 months. I want you to type in the comment section on how much percentage your basic expenses have gone up and also which are the expenses which have gone up more, so that we get an idea where the expenses are going up, whether the government data is accurate or our actual family inflation is much higher than what they're stating. So I want you to type this in the comment section. If you want, you can write in detail, but make sure you're typing so that we all know where which expenses are going up. If you like this video, press like button, share this video with all your friends. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and all the best.